Only $2.
Report to the company building immediately to sell the scrap metal and other goods. You have 0 days left to meet the profit quota. You can use the terminal to route the autopilot.
Where's the horn? Yeah, hi.
100%. They're buying at 100.
The horn.
Oh. Wiki wiki.
Wait. Play with the horn.
Yeah.
If that angers him, I'm gonna be really pissed.
That'd be so much fun.
Are you putting it on there, or are you keeping it?
Do you hear you going meow meow meow?
It's 55 schmeckles. We need to sell it.
Sell the fucking horn.
Sad honk.
Hey Lana.
What? Ah! Why? He didn't even take our stuff.
Yeah, because he was evaluating it and then Nathan fucked it up.
He was probably super pissed about all the sound. Like, tell me how he's hearing a bell but not that stupid horn, and yet he can't come out until we bring the bell.
There we go. We're good. Oh, it says 100% now.
I told you that. No one heard me.
Ooh,
I heard you.
we can retire, boys.
Plastic fish.
I got a plastic fish.